Add salt ½ teaspoon. All-purpose flour 125 gram. Baking powder 2 teaspoons. Cocoa powder 25 gram. Sift well. Granulated sugar 60 gram. Whisk these together. 60 gram melted, unsalted butter. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Milk 175 milliliters. Mix until well combined. Pour the batter into a pan. Smooth it out evenly. Light brown sugar 60 gram. Granulated sugar 60 gram. Cocoa powder 20 gram. Whisk these together. Sprinkle the sugar mixture over the top of the batter. Pour 1 cup of boiling water over the mix. Bake in the preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Enjoy!